WebPC is a mid-position cryptographic money right now evaluated at $4.02 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $1,759,392,959 in a truly significant manner over the sort of beyond couple of years. Digital forms of money, including WebPC, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and essentially are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms. A few institutional financial backers even basically consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a sort of significant manner. Retail financial backers and merchants generally are truly keen on digital currencies for example, ICP on the grounds that this is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources by and large have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat brief time frame. These profits in every practical sense are certainly unreachable in most certainly different business sectors, which truly is the motivation behind why most moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like WebPC, while the groundbreaking ones really dedicate a critical part of their truly funding to this quickly creating resource class. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of WebPC to the level at $4.02 where it right now essentially sits incredibly. As currently referenced, ICP generally is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 33rd spot in worldwide digital currency ranking. The metric still up in the air by duplicating the exceptionally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of WebPC, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $1,759,392,959. The significance of this boundary will really be explicitly made sense of later in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation calculation certainly is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to in a real sense furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to enough explicitly survey the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it explicitly needs to truly be reconfigured, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which truly is fundamental for the right assessment of both current and expected market structure, and the appraisal of its present and future heading, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Beneath you will in a real sense find in every practical sense key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could really have a comprehension of where the WebPC market for the most part is going, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on June 17th, ICP was esteemed at $3.99 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital currencies sort of are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period sort of added up to 0.16% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on June 11th, WebPC in a real sense was exchanged at $3.70 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its sort of present position, which basically is very huge. On May 18th, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged ICP at $5.28, the cost level that is at the distance of 24.18% from where it presently truly stands. The mix of this information with the investigation of the cost diagram on various time periods, ideally the ones that by and large are in every practical sense higher than the 4-hour time span, ought to sort of provide you with a reasonable understanding of the current circumstance on the ICP market and how it sort of has been creating. However, this in a real sense is just a glimpse of something larger concerning how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of significant data to deliver the most exact short, mid, and certainly long-haul WebPC cost expectation that has generally turned into the establishment for genuinely numerous productive exchanging techniques and sort of enlarged venture portfolios. The cost of ICP and the readings of 114 for the most part are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations. Market capitalization basically is another significant metric that assists merchants with deciding the prominence of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities. It's likewise used to survey the offer that WebPC really holds inside the whole digital currency market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to by and large is duplicated by its ongoing cost, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of ICP generally remains at $1,759,392,959, enough to name it the 33rd biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in a sort of enormous manner. Yesterday, on June 17th, the market capitalization of WebPC generally remained at $1,745,786,420, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on June 11th, the capitalization of ICP basically was $1,616,679,705, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. A month prior, on May 18th, how much capital streaming around this really specific market added up to $2,302,660,081 in every practical sense, significant way. Most digital money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific digital currency and its capacity to really endure disturbances which are the sort of normal event on the exceptionally unpredictable market, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. It is especially evident that the reasonably previously mentioned market capitalization of WebPC permits to especially characterize it as the mid-cap digital money that has a place in the OK gathering in an unpretentious way. Since we have previously referenced the recipe for computing the market capitalization, it would be somewhat suitable to dedicate a piece of this report to the stock of ICP basically. For your data, there sort of are three kinds of supply for practically every digital money. The truly greatest stock, which essentially implies the quantity of coins that would sort of be created on a specific blockchain all through its present. The complete stock, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the venture. The coursing supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, as such, that are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The genuinely absolute stockpile of ICP right now in a real sense remains at 499,835,342 coins, which by and large is very huge. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under survey for the most part is 437,362,283 ICP in an unpretentious manner. This WebPC cost expectation wouldn't essentially be by and large complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the measurement utilized by basically all cryptographic money brokers to in a real sense affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move in an especially significant manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain basically is happening on the rear of the very low exchanging volume, there certainly is a genuinely high likelihood that this move is impractical and would really bring about a bullish snare in a quite enormous manner. Accordingly, it is critical to especially dissect the past and the ongoing exchanging volume of ICP requests to in a real sense comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, which is very huge. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume on the WebPC market essentially was enrolled at $10,202,120. Yesterday, on June 17th, ICP in every way that really matters had an exchanging volume of $16,659,709. 7 days prior, on June 11th, the normal fundamentally day-to-day exchanging volume on that market added up to $52403,320 in a really significant manner.